Consider the following partially drawn structure of 2-butene, which has a formula of C4H8, where only the carbon atoms are shown. So you have all these 4 carbon atoms shown here, and it's shown that the first 2 have a single bond between them. There's a double bond between the second and the third, and a single bond between the third and the fourth. Okay, let's complete the structure. How are we going to add the hydrogens to these? Well, what do we know about carbon atoms? Typical bonding pattern for carbon atoms is 4 bonding pairs, right? So that would give each carbon atom a 0 formal charge when it does 4 bonding pairs. And the hydrogens obviously have to be terminal atoms, so they can only form 1 bond. So all those hydrogens must bond to the carbon, right? To a carbon. So each of these hydrogen atoms in this molecule must be attached to a carbon. The question is, how many are we going to attach to the first carbon? Well, let's attach. This carbon has 1 bonding pair, so it needs 3 more. So 1, 2, 3 more. And then you can put a hydrogen on the other end of each of those. Let's look at the second carbon. It already has 1, 2, 3 bonding pairs, so it needs 1 more bonding pair, so we can attach another hydrogen to that. It doesn't matter, you draw it upwards or downwards. Um, we're not worried about that. Okay. Now this third carbon over here has 1, 2, 3 bonding pairs, so we're going to need another bonding pair. So let's attach a hydrogen to that one. That makes 4 bonding pairs. And finally, this last carbon here has 1 bonding pair, so it needs 3 more to make 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you attach a hydrogen to each one of those. And let's see if we have enough hydrogens. We have 3 over here, 1 here, so that's 4. There's 1, that's 5, plus 3 more, that's 8. So that would be the structure of 2-butene.